নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা তরফ থেকে আজকে ইউটিউব নাম্বার 93 and this episode is on printed tussar and pure ajrak hand printed tussar sarees. So we'll be showing you all variety of printed tussars and ajrak in pure quality fabric. I will start with ajrak because this is the first time I'm showing you pure ajrak in pure tussar. So I'll be starting with ajrak first. All organic colors, earthy tones, very classy combinations and a little different kind of print, not the regular floral ones. See, this is in coffee color. Product number 1, 8500. It is burgundish coffee. 8500. This is the pallu. Pure tussar and all the zari borders. It has a zari border, but since it's done in organic color border, the zari has become matte, so it's giving a very lovely effect, a very uncommon effect in the blouse and in the border. This is the blouse piece, geometric design blouse piece with fine zari border, zari stripes in the blouse, and this is the sari. Very smart looking and very classy. You can wear it with any kind of tassels or string jewelry in black or anything. Any silver will look nice and very classy. You have to be dressed very classy for this. 8500, product number 1. Product number 2, it's in slate color, mud color rather. Product number 2, 8500, all same price and with a touch of blue in this. Absolutely beautiful print. Just see the border. It's a lovely shade of border after dyeing. It was actually gold border, but after dyeing the color has become muted and this not shiny, but at the same time just gives a sheen in the border. Matte finish. This is the pallu. 8500. Pallu with buta and this panel design. Traditional pallu. Very good quality, heavy quality, pure desi tussar. And this is the blouse piece for this. See the blouse piece. We have 2 branches in Kolkata. 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. During the lockdown period from 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock we will be operating. The Cornfield Road branch will be open between 12 to 4 till Kolkata lockdown is over. Other than that, we are open from 10 to 8 in the evening. Sundays we remain closed and the rest of days, Monday to Saturday, 10 to 8. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata, and that too after the lockdown period, so that we send via our own vehicles, but we need the access to travel. So only after lockdown we will be able to do cash on delivery. By courier we are shipping regularly and it's quite prompt now, so don't worry about the shipping. This is product number 3, same price in moss green color. See this panel diagonal print. It looks very smart. I'll drape it, then you'll understand. Very smart print. I have not used at all the red, the rust and those common colors which we usually see in the navy blue, the indigos, which we usually see in the ajrak. These are all new colors. I would say these are all very earthy tone, but it gives a very rich look. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Now brown and rust. See, this is also a very unique print. Very sober, but at the same time it's different. See the pallu, it will have the zari stripe, 8500, the border. Main is the finish and the polish of these saris. Tussar saris, if the polish is good, then automatically the sari will look nice and it will be very comfortable to drape. This is the blouse piece. It's in rust print with this zari, at the same time another double border. This is the sari. All ajrak printed, organic colors, pure vegetable colors, and all 8,500 rupees. Product number 5. See, this is also a very unique color. This is brownish burgundy color. Pallu. Product number 5, 8500. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. So you can see when I am draping it, you can see how beautiful the fall of the saris are. Each sari will have a lovely fall. Another unique earthy color. It's in bluish grey color. $8500. Here comes the pallu. Very classy look. This overall look gives a very classy, get up. This is the blouse piece. Now another color. This is mauvish grey color, coffee, but it has a touch of mauvish tone. See the print in the border, very smart print. Pallu, all 8,500 rupees. See how pretty the print is, and especially after dyeing, the border color changes to a bit copperish. So that gives a very, with this border and the sari, it has a beautiful symbiosis with this actually. Very mutual combination as it. Now comes Munga Pure Tussar with block print. This is, I'll show you two colors in this. One, it has zari check, extremely soft and comfortable fabric in digital florals. Color is dark bottle green, monotone color, color on color. I mean green on green. That's what I mean to say. So it's a full green sari with just variation of green color prints. Pallu will have the zari stripe, and this is a beautiful printed sari. The whole sari will be like this, and lastly the blouse piece will be in contrast but in solid color. This is the blouse piece. See, this is the dark bottle green blouse. Now same thing, I'll show you another color. This I'll just hold it this way. You can understand that was in bottle green and this is in navy blue. Same sari, two colors, navy blue and bottle green. So one piece each, that's why I'm showing you A and B, so that if you don't get the bottle green or you don't get the blue, you have a choice of another one. And see, the blouse piece will also be in check munga. This is the blouse piece, navy. If I miss out the price like I did for the previous one, please check out the description. All you have to do is take the screenshot of the product and message to any one of the number provided. Within 24 hours you will get the response, and once I give you the confirmation, the payment details I'll give you, it will be paid to any business account. The business Sanskriti Kolkata's business account. Once you make the transfer, we'll courier it to you. See, this is a lovely print in dye concept. See, the grey, blue and yellow. It has been dyed in a leher form. At the same time, this foil print has been done on top of this. This is the pallu. It has no as such separate pallu. All will go in diagonal way. 7,500 rupees. 7500. Extremely smart looking concept. See, till your hips the leher style will come, and then from your hips this slate color dye part will come. Then after your pleats there won't be any leher style. And the sky blue printed blouse piece. It has a self-printed blouse piece. So this is the sari. It takes a lot of effort to create these kind of designs. Normal prints, if they take few hours, this will take double the time. 9,000 product number 9, 7,500, episode 93, and this is the foil print as I said. Number 10, the same thing. I'll show you 3 colors. Number 10, body part will be in shadings of red, yellow, mustard and brown. Red, mustard and brown color with the foil prints. See, these are the foil prints, and we use very good quality foil printing. We do, so don't worry about getting it becoming these dark or anything. Nothing will happen. Just don't use the direct spray on these. That's it. 7500, 7,500. Pure tussar, foil printed, shaded, and here is the look. See, this is the body part will be in brown. Red blouse piece. With this you get a red self-printed blouse piece. This is the sari. Very smart look. It's a printed tussar, but it gives a very rich look on wearing. Now the same thing, I'll show you the last color. All the colors are very pretty. This is in shades of green and mustard. See, here comes the leher with the foil print and just impression, and with the leaf prints with the foil in between the leaves. The pallu, 7500. We are shipping regularly. After payment, within 2 to 3 working days, we will be shipping the product, and once you receive, you can just give me a message that you've received the product, and definitely feedback is very important. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel to get regular notifications, because every time there will be something or the other new which Sanskriti Kolkata will be showing in each of the videos. To get the still photographs of all the products, please check out our Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata. The link is provided in each of the episode. In each episode, the Instagram link and the Facebook page link is going. 7500, product number 11. Product number 12, another foil print but in temple form. This is also very smart. Shaded. This too is shaded, but the lower part will have this. I love this print. It's a very smart print. See? Temples. Panel temples, but with foil print. These are not khari print. There's a difference between khari and foil. See? Very unique print. The pallu. It has zari stripe, pure tussar, very soft with, see, the body. Brown magenta combination with brown, fudge color blouse piece. Now this is another interesting print. Product number 13 in pure tussar, and it's shikarga. Shikarga print in pure tussar. I'll show you closely how gorgeous this print is. Such tiny animals done throughout the sari, and this block, cutting of this block is so difficult. Just see how lovely the block is. It's not that big animals, all the cute animals throughout the sari, but it just gives a lovely print. See? Shikarga printed tussar, 6,500 rupees zari border pallu. Zari woven pallu, zari border. This is in navy blue. These are little different from the floral motifs that we usually see in printed tussar. See, this is the ajrak printed blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. This is in navy, and this number B is in magenta. And the blouse, here is the ajrak printed blouse piece. Same price, 6,500. Now coming to block printed tussar, shaded dyed tussar. Product number 14. It's a kesar and pink color combination. Rani and kesar combination. Very pretty, gorgeous color combination. Bright color for young girls, look very pretty. 6,350, 6,300. Just see the lovely woven gold pallu gold stripe pallu weave, and on wearing this looks a very pretty because it's shaded. This part is shaded, and there's the Kilol block print. These are actually Sanganari blocks. See, this is the blouse piece in Rani color. Very pretty. And number B of the same design is sky and blue, again shaded. Sky blue with turquoise blue. Pallu. And of course it will have the blouse piece in contrast border color. This is the blouse piece. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to the number given, first come first serve basis. Since we are doing episodes regularly, I request you to make the transfer as soon as possible. Again let me tell you, it's first come first serve basis. We don't want to hold back our products, so it's better we ship it and then I'll be creating new products. So this is another lovely printed sari. It's in a peachish color body. See, it has a lovely self print with pink block print, floral, pink border, pallu, all very good quality pure tussar in zari border. 6350, 6,350 rupees. The price of the products depend on the way the printing is done. There are many forms of printing. Of course, the quality and the colors that has been used, a lot of things, it depends on that. This is the blouse piece. Ideal for gifting your mothers also, mother and mother-in-laws. This is number 16. Even for teachers and all, these are a nice option. Because these are very comfortable to wear, and you don't have to look for occasions. This you can wear anywhere. 6350. This is in, or that was in pink color. This is in orange border, rustish orange, not very loud orange. A very nice sober soothing orange with brown color self print. And here goes the blouse piece, tomato red blouse piece, orangish red. Now comes Bandhej print, 6350, Bandhej print, zari border in black and white. Very smart print, and it looks very smart. It looks as if it is tie and dye, but it has been done by block print. You can wear a contrast blouse with this. You can wear a dark magenta color. You can wear this copper color. You can wear any shirt with this black shirt. 6350. I love how many of you team up with your crop tops and your spaghettis and halter, but I'm very old school type, so I stick on to the basic blouse, the old type blouses which we've been wearing and seeing our parents also wearing. So I stick on to those. But I like when people mix and match and do some lovely styling with these blouses. This is the blouse piece. 18, 6350, purple and turquoise blue. Little different print. See the pallu in stripes, vertical stripes. This is the blouse piece. The tailoring unit has started and we have resumed our tailoring department. So those who want to give the measurements and do the blouse stitching, we can do it now. So you just have to send the measurements, we will give you the pattern. Now number 19, 6350, black and white with olive. Now it look very nice when you drape it, because from the pleats the slate color is coming. A very smart combination. See? Very smart combination. And of course it will have the slate color blouse piece, because on top it will be black and white slate blouse piece with this border. Now lastly I'll show you what I'm wearing. It's in Munga Tussar, pure Munga Tussar Banarasi woven border. This is another color, number 20. Very soft and very good quality. And see the abstract print in this, geometric abstract print. Very, very soft and so comfortable. Product number 20, price is 8,500 rupees, 8500. The Banarasi woven pallu. Product number 93, sorry, product number 20, episode 93. Extremely good fall, and this is the blouse piece in Dudhe Alta red. It's not actually red, it has a lovely pinkish red tone. Number 20. Number 21 is the same that I am wearing, only my border will be slightly different. My border will have this border. This is also available, and the other one, this is my border, the same print, and the one that I am showing is this border. Both are very pretty, same print, just the border weave changes. Same price with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. And my sari I have already shown you. The neck piece that I am wearing is 2200. 2200 is the neck piece with the jhumka. It has few layers. 2200, it's the set. It goes with a lot of saris, or even with a little ethnic wear also, with kurtas and skirts and all. Very smart one. 2200. And lastly, this sari which the mannequin is wearing, it's also Munga Tussar with narrow zari border. It's totally done in brushing concept. See, 3-4 colors. Just brushing has been done. A very smart look. 5,000 990 rupees pure Munga tussar. This particular sari has this coffee color blouse piece. This coffee color will be your blouse piece with the zari border, but I've teamed it with our designer blouse in pure ghicha tussar. This is the ghicha tussar plain blouse piece. See, it's a very smart design with collar. You can wear it as a top also. It's 2000 rupees. Sizes are available in this with coconut shell button. 2000 rupees for the blouse in pure ghicha tussar sleeveless, and 5990 rupees for this lovely sari. So hope you like it. Please leave a comment if you've liked our products, and please again like, share and subscribe. Namaskar.